Is your Vizio TV not responding to the remote or buttons? These simple troubleshooting steps can often resolve the issue quickly. First, check if anything is blocking the TV's infrared sensor. This small sensor, usually located at the bottom center of your TV, receives signals from your remote. Clean the sensor gently with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to remove any dust or debris that might be blocking the signal. Next, replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. Dead or low batteries are the most common cause of remote control issues. Remove the old batteries and check for any corrosion on the terminals. Clean with alcohol if needed, then insert fresh batteries, making sure to match the positive and negative polarity correctly. If replacing batteries doesn't work, try power cycling the remote to clear any residual electrical charge that might be causing issues. Remove the batteries, then press and hold the power button for 5 to 30 seconds to drain residual power. Press all the buttons at least once, then reinsert the batteries. If these remote troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, the next section will cover TV power cycling and more advanced solutions to get your Vizio TV responding again. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, we need to try more advanced solutions. Let's start with a manual power cycle of your Vizio TV. First, turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. This completely cuts power to the device. Next, locate the power button on the TV itself. Press and hold this button for 15 to 30 seconds to drain any residual power from the internal components. Wait at least 1 full minute before plugging the TV back in. This ensures all capacitors are fully discharged. Then plug it back in and turn it on. If you can still navigate your TV menu, try a soft power cycle instead. This is less disruptive than unplugging the TV. Navigate through your TV menu using these exact steps. This performs a controlled restart without losing your settings. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Warning, this will erase all your settings, apps, and personal data. If you cannot access the menu at all, some Vizio TVs can be factory reset by pressing and holding the volume down and input buttons on the TV until a reset message appears. If problems persist, consider using the Vizio Smart TV Remote app on your smartphone, or try a universal remote as an alternative control method. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most Vizio TV remote and button responsiveness issues. Try them in order from least to most disruptive.